Alright, so we just watch one game. And never said possible on the worst defensive display, on the worst attacking display I've ever seen in the Jamaica Premier League. Mobay deserve to lose. Hey, Mobay deserve to lose the game there. No? Mobay deserve to lose the game there. Game there. Yeah, go on, people. Big up on yourself. Smash like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. Now, I'm going to give a fear assessment at the Mobay versus Vere Phoenix game. And I don't know what. They're one of the most chaotic, as I said, horrible offensive, horrible defensive display I've ever seen in a long while. I'm not going to explain the context. I'm not going to explain why I say Mobay don't deserve to get nothing out of the game there. Alright, so we all know the game. I do think that overall, let me see the starting lineup for both teams. Initially, I had Mobay to win. Initially. But when we look at the starting lineup, it concretely confirmed to me, say, boy, Mobay is a likely team to win the game. Man. It was concrete to me. Alright, starting lineup, Mobay. Aaron Enel in goal, Brian Brown, Jordan Fletcher, Owen Garden. You see that front three there? Crazy. Goals like foolishness. Daniel Hospitals, Lucas Lima, Deveron McKenzie, Demario Phillips, Shaniel Thomas, Josiah Trimenham, and Navan Turner. That's a really strong attacking team. So me I say, yeah, Mobay I go for the kill. Mobay I go for the kill. Then now look on the Vere team. Michael Harrison, Carlton Brown, youngster, Kyle Butler, Cunningham, Michael Forbes, another youngster, Robina Garden, another youngster, Demarian Harris, another youngster, Denzel McKenzie, another youngster, Bliss Nelson, well, fairly alright age, Dante Peralta, another youngster, Matthew Hooling, who I thought that was one of the best players for Vere. And also Robino and Hooling, I thought they were the better players for Vere. They really play some ball. And I say, alright, fine. Now looking at the game. Let me get statistics then before we go into analysis. Ball possession 55% Mobay, 45% for Vere. Shots on target for Mobay 5. Shots off target 9. Mobay had Vere had 4 shots off target and 1 on target. That's not right. I think I 2 shots Mobay had on target. Vere had on target. The one where Denzel passed the ball up on the right hand side and the one them kick from far. I think I 2. I think about 2, yeah. No, and the free kick as well. So I think that kind of flawed. So you go on. Because that flawed, me messes me blue on this. Me not trust this anymore. Me not trust them statistics here anymore. But let me get back to it. Now, let me tell you why I think Mobay should have never get none in front of the game then. When the game say 1-0, Paddy's. The game say 1-0. Down to the 90+1 minute. When the game say 83 minutes, Mobay had to be protecting the ball, the corner flag. Mr. Demario did and I tried burn time. And before that, them a dominate the game and them a ball Vere. Me mean say, them a ball Vere. The amount of chance, back a chance, on top of chance, so Mobay get and a miss, offside. Some say no man. Based off of the amount of chance where them a miss, you don't deserve to win the game then. You can't want to win a game and I miss so much clear cut. Shaniel Thomas. Dashed. Chance. Jesus, peace, my word. Owen Garden. That's your chance. Fletcher, and that's your chance. Me I say, none of them man know what try when the game for Mobay. And the game say 1-0 no. When the game say 1-0 and there's so much chance, you know what likely to happen? Do you know what is likely to happen when you throw so much chance? Fortunately for Mobay, Vere was trying their best to lose the game. Vere never did try to win it. As I say, 2 players me really see. I do think Carter Brown start off, and I think start off a little bit overly aggressive. But Vere never necessarily try to win it. Just in 2 players, Robinho and Wooling, me really see, I put in some intent. I do think it was a soft game from Denzel. He probably did wide, he not look comfortable out there so, as well. He never look comfortable out there so as well. But, and me and say, look on it, say, if you're missing so much chances, it must mean that one goal will come the other way. That's just football. That's a laugh average of football now. That's a wicked football day. But fortunately, Demar Phillips did a brilliant goal. Layoff from Chanel Thomas, and Demar Phillips just hit that one off the volley. Lucky ankle. Right now, at this present moment, Phillips' ankle still lock. Right now, ankle it probably a tip. Upon in 2 points to my walk go. To a lucky ankle tip that. Upon in 2 points to my walk go right now. But it was a really good goal. No. Defensively. Jeez! That was one of the most shambolic defensive display I've ever seen in a long while. That high line. It's upon replay, the amount of bad call where the linesman make. It was unbelievable. And fortunately for Vere, there was no VAR. Very fortunate. If there was a VAR, the amount of goal, because if there was VAR, the player would allow to go on until them score, then you raise the flag, then you go to VAR check. But because there's no VAR here, the flag go up right away. But because the flag go up right away, you can't call back again. You can't play, can't continue. Nothing like that. So there's no reference point. But if there was VAR, you can tell you, Vere would have conceded way more goals. Minimum. They concede 6 or 6, 7, or 8 minimum based off of the amount of offside and the amount of missed chances. That was a shambolic display of a defense. They were very fortunate, and the scoreline really, it don't really dictate or it don't really showcase how the game panned out. It's not a good look. So them have to work. Lenny and Butler have to go work on that. Mr. Hyde, Mr. Butler, we have to go work on that. Mobay, all the strikers there, supposed to take up Fletcher, Turkleman, Shadil, who else? Fletcher, JJ, Chupu, Turkleman. Who should that striker in that play? Who should that striker? You know, it's about 4 of them, man. Chanel. Hold on, you know, Chanel, Garden, Fletcher. One more today. Yeah, I'm Brian. Yeah. Yeah, man. Then I tell her. Me tell her, me don't know. Me don't know. I don't know at all. But tomorrow morning they're supposed to have a kickball from man go straight back to about 12 o'clock midday. There's a kickball like goal and an empty goal. Let's have them a kickball like goal. Me don't know. I don't know. They just, boy, I don't know. You know, like, when you see, you wait for a long time and you finally get the opportunity. And you ND. Be that man do on the field. Be an ND. Man then so eager to score to backside. But he eager to score. So till then us waste a chance then. But I have to say that Mobay played relatively good. They created a lot of chance. I didn't score, I thought the Mobay played really good. I didn't like how Vere played, honestly. The intensity was there, but they didn't showcase the quality that they can. I was also disappointed in the post-match interview by the coaches in regards to speaking about January transfer window. And remember that these Craig Butler's one that said that Calvary has come and rated it. So you can't say that and then turn around and say January transfer window. You're basically there say, boy, you still not have enough quality in the team yet. Fine, if that's the case then, let's see what's going to happen after January. Let's see what January have to produce. But for now, Horrible defensive display. Horrible attacking display. Horrible defensive display. Horrible attacking display. Mobay fortunate to see. No, they're not fortunate because they definitely create a whole chance. But boy, I mean, I tell you, too much of goal in that shape, they don't deserve to win that backside there, man. But congrats same way. Congrats. I don't know. Maybe laugh. I think even the fans they start laugh. Even the fans they start laugh. But anyways, Vere, fix up. Target bleak, you know. Fix up. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. Soon again. Next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. You know what I mean?